I will try to keep it short. Thanks, Narsi, for that introduction. So, just to maybe rephrase what we do, we have been in this engineering consulting sector for power engineering and construction engineering for the last 7.5 years, and specifically focusing on the North American market so far. But recently, we have kind of diversified into other geographies as well. We have about 110 active clients, be it developers, EPCs, or electrical contractors. So we help them with both pre-construction, construction, as well as post-construction engineering support in terms of right from development until as-built and sign off on the project. So our headcount is roughly about 260 odd in Chennai, 260 odd in India, about 12 full-time folks in the US. So that's kind of what we do. Predominantly our team is a combination of structural, electrical, mechanical and civil engineers. Basically traditional engineering fields, and we kind of use that to be in this niche power and construction side. So yeah, but I'll probably stop here, but I'm hoping to catch up with all during the networking session. Maybe we can talk more about that. Thanks.